Welcome back everyone. Hi, we're going to make today quick and easy ginger pork. You're just going to need a quarter of an onion just sliced. Again, we've got our pepper, some salt, oil, just some manchu. You can also use soy sauce if you didn't have any. Some sesame seeds for garnish. A little bit of sugar again. And here I've just got some quick and easy crushed ginger, which you can get from any supermarket or Asian store. And of course, last but not least, some pork belly slices. These are really handy. It's already pre-packaged, frozen good. You can get from most Korean marts or Japanese mart, Taiping, any kind of Asian store. In the frozen section, I like to use olive oil, but you could use canola oil, sunflower seed oil, or even a bit of sesame oil if you wanted, peanut oil, a little. Right, just get those onions working. I like to add a little bit of salt to my onions just to get those sugars coming down the onion. We just want to get these onions sauteed off. Not fully. I mean, you want them cooked, but they can be a little bit crunchy. Want to sear them off. Get a little bit of colour on them, a little bit of caramelization. Yeah, so this pork belly is brilliant. It's already shaved. You know, you use what you need and put the rest back in the freezer. You can see this is solid. And because it's shaved so thinly, it doesn't take long to cook at all. Alright, once you get the onions browned up a little bit like that, we're just going to turn the pan down a bit and hit it with some ginger. Personal preference, you know, if you like ginger, throw it in there. You could put a bit of garlic if you like, but today we're just using ginger. Just fry that off for a few minutes. You don't want to burn the ginger, so that's why I'm taking it off the heat a bit. Right, and then you just put that back in the freezer for another day. This pork won't take long at all. See, it's almost half cooked already. Again, I'm going to finish this with a little bit of almost a teriyaki glaze. So I'm going to hit it with some manchu. If you didn't have this, you could use soy. Just a little. You can see it's almost cooked through. A little sugar. You can smell that ginger coming out. It's lovely. And then just going to put a lid on for a few minutes just to help finish it off while my assistant prepares a bowl of rice. You can see in no time that's almost cooked. This looks lovely. You can really smell that ginger in those onions. Lovely. Right, we'll just glaze that up a bit. just going to finish that off, reduce that sauce a bit, get it glazed up. You could put some steamed veg. You could have put some veg in here, a few beans or a couple of bits of broccoli.